Hello. Welcome back again to this YouTube channel, TDA News TV, anyone. So today we just get to topic we want to talk about. We want to talk about Regina Daniels. I know say her video don dey rain, don dey all over the places. Now then one woman come out. The woman come say na Regina Daniels mama na him come for. He say because she be mother like her. And this Regina Daniels of a team, when I first hear now for you on my channel, I do video about it. I say Regina Daniels na virgin. I even say na virgin. I even say abeg make dem no dey put life for that small girl head. I go marry man like that. Me no know say every rumor there must be an element of truth. Now Regina una come know say element of truth e really dey for every rumor. I surprise when I see say na real and na truth. For this introduction wey be say they do, I take my time, I study this introduction, and I come see say wetin this woman come out come talk. The woman no lie, the woman talk as e be. And I go put the video, maybe the voice record or the woman picture here, so that una go read see am. And if una want the link, because she talk well for almost 30-something minutes, say my video not the long, I will give you the link who want the link, so that you go watch the full video. Make sure, because if I say I do the full video, everywhere go full 2 hours we still there here. So if you look at the traditional wedding of Regina Daniels, you go see the body. Any woman when they do marriage must happy now they are pass. But if you look Regina, you will see say she not happy. She be like person when they force enter inside the marriage. You see the way she stand like the way so quiet. But now mama na come happy pass. Now they come the reason wetin this woman talk, say this woman, if you see wetin she dey talk, lie e not there for there. Because you need to see the way Regina mama dey flaunt her body on top of Regina husband. If they flaunt her body, they pull her for the chest, they pull body. I don't understand that part. I know say a person heal on a person pikin, but this one big pass to be like to be Regina mama pikin. You understand? You need to see the way she dey flaunt her body, they put on top of the girl, the man body. You understand? Now then me come say una see the video. Now then me come to say this one e get as e be e get as e be, because our woman go dey do this thing. Now then this woman come to say Regina mama na una know the word na asha. He say na e fair be, say e don do am. The thing come tire am. She no know wetin she want do. Now e come carry pikin. Now e come put. Now since when me come hear say na real true, say this man marry Regina, now there I come know say na truth everybody dey talk. And wetin me come see hear again, I can't believe, because when I first hear am, I not believe. I say e not possible, say Regina na virgin. Now it make me can't believe this second one where I hear how the man take know Regina, how the marriage take come about. Now there I can't believe, and that's okay. I go talk am, because every rumor there must be an element of truth. They say na Regina mama na him want make this man marry her as one of his wife. Now the man come to say no, she too old, she be old cargo. Now Regina na him want to. Now the mama come to say Regina too small for you. Now the man come tell her say, if you fit talk to your daughter marry me. Anything wey be say you want for this world, when money go fit buy, I go provide them for you. I go buy house for you for London. I go buy house for you in any part of the world when you want. Being na say Regina mama na person wey be say I open for money. But when she young, I believe say sugar daddy dey that time. Why she not marry sugar daddy that time? When be say na Regina, na he come carry give. Now he come tell Regina, say Regina, see wetin this man talk you go marry this man. Now Regina say no mama, this man he too old, even senior you, he senior my papa. Now Regina mama say, Regina, you no fit remove sugar comot for my mouth, you go marry this man. Regina say lele, he no go marry this man. Now there he get one of our friend wey be say that our friends abi waka kpuru carry waka, that our friends abi do otonokpo. Now he tell mama Regina say this way I tell una, so una go see everything go come out very soon. Now that one tell Regina say, mama say since Regina not green, he get where we waka go. e get wetin dem go give you. If you put am for inside water, Regina use am baff, e go agree for you. Na the woman say, as e be so, e go do am. So far the thing no go hurt her daughter. Then they say e no dey hurt am. And then they say waka go, they come put the thing for inside water when Regina take baff. Immediately she baff, e come agree say go marry this man. Una see her now, the way she dey be like, you see the way she cool. Now they come discuss with Regina, say no worry, marry this man. You know as they do am now, when e be say small girl go marry sugar daddy finish, at the end you come dey waka the man go come kukuma tire for the girl. Go so yeah, they go everything wey I buy for you. You see the way they use body dey rub the man. Una dey see am, una dey watch this part when me dey tell una so. Una dey watch am, una dey see hand on top. You understand? Then come to say since e dey waka, e go marry the man. Then if e don dey waka kurukere waka, the man go come tire. You come say abeg, oya dey go, everything wey I buy for you I dash you. Na so na Regina and im mama and im friend think say na so e go be. Dem no know say this man na person wey be say e go school well. No be say because say e go school na e take get sense. So no be everybody wey go school get sense. The man na traveler. E don travel go part of all the world. They say oyibo say travel, how dey say dey speak oyibo, every travel is part of education. The man come know sense well. They come dey plan, and they no know say as they dey plan their home, the man dey plan him own too. Then they come tell the man say, okay, since our daughter don agree to marry you, you go do the marriage secret wey e be say nobody go know. Or their own go say e go be rumor. Before the rumor come, the marriage don end. You come be like say na rumor. They no know say the man dey plan. Now the man say no problem, they go do am secret, no video, no camera, this and this, blah blah blah. Now so they come take do am. They come do am finish. Now then they come to say, they come pronounce them as husband and wife. Now then the man bring character come and say, as e be say you go well for me, you go swear our Otonopo for our village, because maybe for no waka kurukere waka, you must swear. They say if you see the Otonopo wey Regina swear, na so they blink eye like this. You don't see Otonopo wey dey do like, no be the one I see for video so one dey see so. No be here, the way dey backyard. Na so they blink eye like this. The way dey backyard, when you see am, she shock. If una even dey look this video sef, now see the way she cool, she be like dodo, when she so cold, be like vegetable, because e don cool. E no know wetin e wan do, because no be wetin e expect, no be e see again. And bring Ojuju come out. Oh yeah, begin dey swear all this Otonopo. If you ever cheat, if you ever pull left for bush, if you ever man talk to you, you need to come tell your husband. Man touch you for hand, you need to come tell your husband. Man peck you for ear, you need to come tell your husband. If you ever do anything like that, this Otonopo catch you. Now then mama come be like dodo when so call you say, my pikin, I don't know say na so it be. So there is no way when be say they go fit do am. Now then this woman come out, then come to say, this woman own, it too much. And mama own too much. Now then the woman provoke, and the woman be this one so, when I dey show una so. And the woman talk, say, as e be say, her own no favor am. You own na shara, e no favor am. Then he carry pikin, he put for inside. Well, I don't want to talk too much. We can just watch and small. Then we'll go to the second news. The second talk we want to talk today. We want to talk about this. I'll still leave the video of anyone. Okay, we want to talk about what did happen for embassy, Nigeria embassy. This Nigeria embassy matter, it don't they get as it they be now. You understand? I think say na only Rome, na their own, na not good. I don't know say all the Nigeria embassy, all of them, na the same. When I see this boy now, when it be say this boy, he destroy all the cars. He destroy all the cars for all the ambassador, they call them, all the embassy people car. He destroy all the car. First of all, I condemn what this boy do. He not good. If I not do like that, if I not destroy any car. But more we go think of what it lead to that anger. because before person take such action na something na leads to that anger. We first of all tackle wetin lead to that anger, because they say who no wan hold fight we go fair hold quarrel, because this boy don do him own now. Nobody know wetin another person go come do. Another person fit come do wetin worse pass that one, because the way that they frustrate our people for embassy is getting too much. When I go Rome embassy go for passport, I see people dey cry. One woman say they wait for am, police of make dem dey give document for Italy, they wait for am make she bring her passport, make dem give her document. He no see passport people, dem hold passports. They say I no know wetin they say dey wrong. The woman say get 2 children, the 2 children no fit get doctor because of passport matter. The Europe country wey they dey, the Europe country ready to offer their doctor anything they want, but Nigeria passport na dey hold this woman. Say her children dey sick, you go go dey find this Caritas hospital dey go, and Caritas hospital no dey open every time, no be like just normal hospital wey be say 24 hours dem dey on. Caritas hospital dey get when they take dey open. You say na so you go dey run up and down dey wait for Caritas hospital when you wan carry pikin because of Nigerian passports. This boy now he come say he dey find the passport, they no see passport bring, but when this boy don destroy all the cars, they come see passport bring come out. Na the boy passport they come publish am for the whole world to see, say see the boy wey destroy car, see the boy, but na this passport na this boy come find for this place. Una say no passport no dey, but this boy don destroy everything come out. E no reach 2 hours, una go root the passport come out. The other time now police people come dey settle matter for Roma embassy because machine spoil. As machine spoil, wetin dem go do next na to call everybody, because if you wan fill form for your passport, they ask you your phone number, they put phone number for there. Na to email everybody or even call everybody for line say make una no come o, machine get fault o, una come so they no even care to inform anybody. You from far place, and each country na only one Nigeria embassy dey there. Like when you dey Rome, now people go from Verona, from different parts of the country for state for Italy, enter 8 hours, 10 hours, sometimes 12 hours. Only going, no, not be coming, going and coming go be almost 1 day. They don't pay that transport fare finish. Don't leave work, don't leave 1 thing or 2 things. Say make you come collect the passport. If you reach there, you no go see passports. They go come tell am say machine spoil. But one na no inform them. And a Nigerian passport na come expensive pass other country passport. I don see a Ghana passport up to na 20 euro. They say they do their own. It's a Ghana 30 euro or so. But Nigeria own, we dey talk about 200 and something. No be the transport when you want use. At the end, you go there, you dey frustrated. They no go mind you. No be even that one. Something go happen. They no go even say okay. People when they come from far place, when be say they don't see and say where these people from they come, if far make they feel attend to them. They don't care whether you want to lose your train, they don't care whether you want to lose your flight. Make they feel attend to, you know. They do one kind. I know say that day they attend to many people, because people really many for Rome there. But if they organize their thing well, it go easy for everybody. I know say they work 24 hours, they work till 12 o'clock midnight. When they say answer thousands of people, fine. But if they organize that way, people when they come from far place, una give their time, una keep to that time, everybody go smile. Where would they talk on a day? Would they talk UK? Oh, say the boy destroy cars because of passport. Then one girl, he cry come out again for Canada. He say 300 euro, 300 pounds. What did they use for Canada? Dollars. Then he use take pay transport fare, take come embassy, take collect passports. As he reach embassy, now he see say the right paper for the gate say they close, they not open. Without they not even inform them. And this girl say he be student, 300 euro. Now they pay. I say euro, $300. Then they pay for his house rent. If you pay $300 for a house rent for a month, consider throw away this one when you come to waka, farmer call waka. No, they not give her passports. You see, parents dey Africa. Now she dey here, they go school. Where she want for see that kind of money, that girl they cry. Okay, since now those are not go open that, do not already give people $.
Came last night. I'm a student. I don't have $300 to spend. My rent is $300 a month. I spent $300 and I came all the way here. And for what? You come here and how do they treat you? They can't, there's no courtesy. They don't even treat you like you're humans. They just treat you like you're animals. And you're like, I am human. I deserve to. All you had to do 2 days ago was put something on the internet. People could have canceled their flight. This $300 I spent, I don't know where I'm gonna get the money to come back. And I have to. I'm not Canadian yet. But the moment I become Canadian, I am burning this passport. I will burn it and I will never in my life get a Nigerian passport. Because of what? I have parents back home. The $300 I'm spending, my dad does not make $300 a month. The amount of salary he makes is not $300. And then I came here and I spent $300. And now I'm going to go back home with nothing.
Where is home?
London, Ontario. I had to get on a bus from London to Toronto. From Toronto here, I had to spend the night last night. I was looking for a hotel. Which hotel will you find under $100 in Ottawa? I got here this morning, nothing.
Tell me your name.
My name is Kemiola, Oluwa Kemiola.
Can you spell it for me?
OLUWAKEMI, and my last name is Ola, OLA.
Okay.
See, what you just saw here today shows you the level of corruption in Nigeria. Is very unethical. You give people appointment and nothing is done. Only for people to come here and you tell them, oh, you are not opened. It's sad. You can see what's going on here. It's so sad. That shows the level of corruption in Nigeria.
Yeah. We need an intervention from Canadian government.
We need some external intervention because this can't always continue. I flew all the way from Calgary. Here, I took a Air Canada flight, flew all night red-eye flight. I landed here this morning to get here early. One of the first people to get here, only to see a notice that it's not open. I had called on Tuesday and they said, come, your passport will be renewed. You get here and they say they're out for consular duties. They are closed till the 27th. What am I to do? Paid $1,000 for my ticket. This is very, very unfortunate. We just need some external intervention. They're very unprofessional in there. I know that because I work also. I work to earn a living and I know how to treat customers. This is supposed to be my home away from home. I haven't seen one security get there. If there was a problem,
go subscribe, maybe you know me saying thank you. God bless you. Bye.